Beep beep. Maisy by Lucy Cousins. More than 50 fantastic flaps. Maisy is going for a drive in her car. Beep beep. Bye-bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. Charlie's putting gas. How much gas? Whoops. Full. 23:45. And it's a sunny day. Ooh. Hey, Maisy. She meets Dotty driving her tractor. That's the motor of the tractor. Beep beep. Hello, Dotty. Ching 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 ching. Little bird. And a chicken with her babies. Oh, look, a little bird. Mommy bird feeding baby bird. Then Maisy sees Peacock riding a bicycle. Ching, 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 ding, ding. Beep, beep. Hello, Peacock. Ding, 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 ding. Train. What is this? Cricket. Ostrich waves to Maisy from her train. Beep beep. Hello, Ostrich. Choo choo. Where are you going, Ostrich? Choo choo. Look at the worms. 1, 2, and 3. 3 worms. Oh, there's a piggy asleep. Eddie flies by in his helicopter. Beep beep. Hello, Eddie. Ooh, Eddie. Ooh, it's about to rain. Be careful, Eddie. Oh, a donkey and a hare. Tallulah is driving her fire engine. Nee-nah, 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 nee-nah. Beep beep. Hello, Tallulah. And she has a little bunny. Nee-nah, 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 nee-nah. We forgot this window. Hi. Cyril is driving his bus. Beep beep. Hello, Cyril. Honk honk. All aboard. Bye. Ooh, the door. That's cute. That's so much fun. Green, red. Uh-oh, a traffic jam. There is a roadwork up ahead. Chug, 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 chug. Beep, beep. Honk, honk. Nee-nah, 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 nee-nah. Chug, 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 chug. They're digging something. What a lot of noise! Choo choo. Chop, 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 chop. Are they having a picnic here? That is so cute. Beep beep. Maisy is driving in her car. Bye bye, Maisy.